Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing. This is the regular box. I just unboxed the premium box like 2 days ago, so if you haven't seen that, definitely check that out. But this is the regular one that's like 21 something a month now. I think they now include shipping, so it's a little bit more, but yeah, let's just go ahead and jump right in. I have already pre-opened it as usual. Here is what it looks like on the inside. Of course, get our little card. The theme this month is Breaking the Ice, same as the bigger one was. And then right there is all of the stuff we get. So let's see. Knocking everything over. Stay. Okay. The first thing on top right here is the Skin & Co. Roma Polishing Micro Exfoliant Truffle Face Gommage. What is a gommage? For face and neck, gently massage circular movements for 1 to 2 minutes, avoiding eye area. What is this supposed to do? Micro exfoliant. I'm assuming it's just an face exfoliant. I don't know what gommage is really. I don't know if that's like something different. Okay, yeah, this is cruelty free. I've used this before, not this before, but I've used this brand before. They have a toner that I've used. I wasn't like blown away by it by any means, but this is okay. Retails for $28. Okay, okay, yeah, we'll just keep going. Avant Shea Butter Rice Bran Panthenol Polydecin 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask, Age Radiance. It's cruelty free, so that's awesome. Apply a thin layer to clean dry skin, allow to absorb into skin, no need to wash off. That's nice. I don't really like to wash masks off because I'm lazy. So I'm excited that you don't have to wash this one off, but yeah, 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. I mean, I'll try it. This retails for $107. No freaking way. Reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. So yeah, I'm definitely going to try this. It says overnight, so we're going to put that to the test. $107? It better be overnight for that much money. Whew, okay. I like this, but I'm also a little sad because I saw like the spoiler and it was this or the Too Faced diamond highlighter thing, and I really wanted that highlighter, but we got this, which is fine. This is the Pretty Vulgar concealer, undercover concealer. Mine is in the shade 60, Little White Lies. I'm a little bit nervous. Maybe it's not too bad. Doesn't smell weird or anything. Yeah, actually, okay, that shade's not terrible. It looks like it's gonna be too yellow, but we'll make it work. This retails for $25. So I'm happy with that. That's the price of the box right there. So basically you pay for the concealer, get the rest of the stuff free. Next in here, Mana Kadar Beauty Simplified. Trying really hard not to sneeze right now. What is this? I don't know what this is. Lip whip. Okay, it's a lip whip in the shade Faith. I've never used a lip whip before. I'm hoping... Ooh, smells weird. It's a pretty shade. It's very similar to what I'm wearing now. I don't like the way it smells. Okay, how much does this retail for? $21. So I've used some Mana Kadar stuff before in the past and I wasn't a huge fan, not gonna lie, but we will definitely try this out and see if I like it. Okay. And the last thing in the box is this. This is by Ace Beauty, or Ace Beaut, I think it's Beauty. Vintage Dawn, I'm assuming it's an eyeshadow palette. We got an Ace Beauty palette before, and it was okay. I think I decluttered it, but it wasn't bad. It just, compared to like the other palettes I have in my collection, it wasn't my favorite. But it was also like the color selection, it was all just like very similar until like it was all kind of like red tones. And I was like, don't love it. So let's see what this one's got for us though. Pretty packaging. Okay, I like this one already better than the other one anyway. It's got 12 shades. I can't get the little plasticky thing off. It'll look like this. I'm drawn to that Horizon shade, so we'll swatch a few. Very soft. We'll do Horizon, Daybreak, Dew, and Gleam. Okay, I don't like the way the ooh, never mind. I was gonna say I don't like the way the metallics feel, but that's really pretty. Little chalky. Okay, yeah. I'm not mad at the palette, but I'm not like living for it either. I might just be in like a bad mood today or something, but I'm not feeling this box, you guys. Like, I don't know. Let me know if you guys are like into this box or not. So let's do a quick little recap. Oh, I didn't even tell you how much this is. This is $35. I don't know that I paid $35 for this. Like, the packaging isn't like great. It's kind of flimsy and the colors are pretty, but based on swatches alone, which again, swatches, well, not again, but swatches aren't like, this is how it's going to perform. You need to use a brush and put it on your actual eyes, but based on swatches, it's not the best quality. So I don't know. I will definitely try that though. Like, I'm not mad at it. This, I'm also not mad at, but I'm also not like super excited about it either, which we'll see. This one, again, I guess this is probably, I really have to sneeze. I guess this is like the thing that I'm most excited about, is the Pretty Vulgar concealer, because I do need a new concealer. I'm running low, so that's exciting. This, I don't know how I feel. Like, I'm excited because it's supposedly like an awesome thing. I mean, it's $100 and something, so it better be life-changing, but it's not something that I'm like, yeah, I really wanted that. And this, I'm just not, I don't know. Maybe it's just because I've had like that toner in the past that I didn't like from this brand, but for some reason I'm just like, about it. Yeah, that's everything, you guys. Let me know down below what you guys got in your box this month. If you got the same box, which is, I learned recently that there's a little number down here, and I think that's your variation. Mine is 25. So if you got box 25 also, let me know if you are feeling it or not, because I'm not. But yeah, that's everything. Don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.